In this video I am going to explain who is the topper in the SSC. So I have sorted like this. So we are already in the previous video I have shown you how to filter the female, male, and SSC, private, so and so. If you see the previous video you will come to know. Now in this video I am going to sort out. See, I am taking A to Z. This is against A to Z. So everything is cleared. Now I want to filter it here. Yeah, Z to A. We want from top to higher to lower. So this is our higher to lower. The roll number is, first roll number is the topper, 15, then 20, then 22, like that. So I want to plot a graph. So from roll number to SSC I am copy, and I am opening a new sheet. Directly don't paste it here. Paste special. You take a width. Okay, these are the different sizes. Now right click and paste it. So we want only roll number against SSC grades. So I am deleting remaining thing. This is the thing. These are the numbers. So how to plot a graph? Insert. So this is empty file. Double click. Select data. Add. What do you want to add? Series name is SSC grade. Then click down. Click up. Select the numbers. These are my numbers. Okay, press OK. From higher to lower it is showing, but it is showing x-axis is 1 2 3. We don't want 1 2 3. We want edit with against the roll numbers. These are my roll numbers. Okay, this is my plot. See, I am increasing diagonally to show you. I don't want the grids. See, I am taking it as a home. You align it like this. You make it inside. This is legend. Like this you can plot. Now you can give the axis of x-axis, y-axis by seeing the previous videos, how to give the x-axis and y-axis. Like this you have to plot. If you have not given any filter command, see what happens means, say I am applying here filter. Now I am taking A to 1 to Z. If you are not applying any filters, see roll number 1 is getting like this, roll number 3 like this. This is wrong. You should not get zigzag. Always filter against our whatever requirement, not the against roll number. We want the top to higher to lower here. Higher to lower means like this. After filtering you have to give, don't filter here, you filter in the main document and copy paste it in that different sheet, and you plot a graph. Like this you have to complete. See, the report should be submitted like this. I have created one Word file. The header footer should be in the same format. Name, comma, BE, triple E, SEM3, roll number, cat report. Analysis should be like this. The data from where you have collected, how you have collected, same thing you write it in the thing. Google Forms we have created and we have sent through the WhatsApp, and we have collected various different points like gender, schooling, so and so. And before inserting the table we have tried something I have explained before only. From this MSET ranks, this for roll number 46 is the topper. Who is this 46? I have explained here. This 46 roll number got so and so, name is so and so. Her father, she is from private schooling or English medium background, and father is a businessman, mother is a housewife. I have written same thing. So from the above table I have created this graph. So this is my labeling of the graph. So from the above figure 1.5 it shows that the so and so matter. You read it and pause the video and read it, and accordingly you write for the other graphs also. Conclusion from the above table and graph is concluded that the private employee daughter and the sons are doing well in the MSET ranks. No government employee children's got best rank in the MSET, and overall the ranks are below 11,000 only. Like this I have written for this point in our triple E students. For different colleges, different branches, the different answers will be there. So students of the CAD, you have to write your report like this. So pause the video and read it again. Like this you have to complete the thing. If anything you want, any more videos you want on this data analysis, you mail to me or you call to me. I will create for you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.